In today's video, I will put you through on how to sort data, okay, in Microsoft Access software. So maybe you have built your data, but you want to sort it maybe alphabetical order, or you want to sort the numbers from the highest to the lowest, or from the lowest to the highest. In this video, I'm going to put you through on how to do that. Let's just get right into it. Okay, let's say this is the information you want to sort. Maybe I want to sort this first field. Okay, the second field here, named first name. So I'll click on the field name for it to be selected. Once the field name and everything listed under it is selected, right click on that field name. All right. So when you right click, you can see sort A to Z and sort Z to A. Okay. By sort A to Z means from the alphabetical order A, B, C, D, and so on. So let's select this to see what happens here. And here I can see Kevin comes first before Lord, before Mike, before Richard, before Sterling, and before Vincent. All right. So this is how to sort from in ascending order. All right. To undo the action, you click on the undo button here. Okay, let's go and experiment here. So look at age here. Maybe I want to sort this age section in from ascending, all right, in ascending order. So I'll click here. Once I click on the file name, it will be selected the field name, yeah, which is age. Click on the field name first for the entire information already inserted to be selected. Then you right click again and select sort from A to Z or from Z to A. So in this case, let's just sort from Z to A. And you can see it starts from 32, 31, 30, 29, 28, and 22. So that's all on how to sort data or information in Microsoft Access database program. I believe this content helps. Please, if it does help, consider subscribing to this channel. Here we discuss a lot, we teach a lot on technology, software, okay? So subscribe to learn more. Leave a comment in the comment section if you have something to say and hit the like button so that YouTube will recommend this video to more people. You can check out this video on some tasks you can complete on Microsoft Access software. Thank you. I'll see you some other time.